my favorite, well, one of my favorite games back in like early 2000, not 2000s, like 2010s maybe. Sumatory Dreams, an awesome ragdoll physics game. And if you get over here, there's a little secret. Punish, fucking move shit people around, but this is not really the charm of the game, but the physics is. If you okay, if you have watched Jacksepticeye play, like if you have watched Jacksepticeye play this, like back in, like, possibly several years ago, or even like a few years ago, you would have seen that he played this game. This is... I've decided to take like a nostalgic trip on that and watch some of that, and this is why I bought the game, just to see the game and play it out for myself. And he can't get up. Boink. Okay. I sound like a fucking Windex bottle. Okay. What the fuck are you doing? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Okay. God damn it. I can't put that in the video. Ignore my Discord. Come on, fall. Boink. No, you know what? I'm putting this on unlisted. My stomach hurts. Boink. This may not be entertaining to you, but holy fuck. It's entertaining to me. I can't breathe. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die laughing. My stomach hurts. Blink. My fucking stomach. Okay. Okay. My buttons, they don't work. Okay. Oh, I have a headache. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for my coughing and my wheezing. This is fucking awesome. Boink. Boink. I don't know. What the... I missed. Oh, I have a headache. Boink. This is just like video. Just me throwing blocks at this dude. Oh shit. I can't. My fucking stomach. My chest. Both hurt. Okay. Okay. A minute without laughing, go. Oh damn, it's already hard and I'm already in a giggly mood. Oh. Oh, no, that didn't count. I'm gonna do this properly. Okay, no, that was... yeah. No, it didn't count. It wasn't a full-blown laugh. Holy shit, that... God damn it! I couldn't control... I couldn't keep it in. That's what she said. I'm sorry. Boink, boink. I wonder what other buttons do. Okay. 2 is just make them stumble, I guess. Anyways, that's it. See you.